Okay, everybody, so I'm kind of not really needing the crutch so much now. I'm just kind of using it just to give myself a little bit of balance, but just kind of checking in with everybody here. This is a whole week, 2 weeks actually, after my surgery. So I'm going to just tip that down a little bit here so I can see you all. Yes, so 2 weeks after surgery to the day, and still feeling really, really good. I do think the weather helps. Let me just stop that from dripping off my head. Technology, there you go, brilliant. Yes, so I am 2 weeks post-surgery. I don't really need the stick for being around the house unless the dog is under my feet, and now so there's both of them going to be here. I can march on the spot. I can step tap quite easily. So I am closer and closer to being back to doing what I love, which is my classes. Went back to clinic at the start of this week. So I've been doing some B12s and a couple of aesthetic treatments this week. Absolutely fine, no problem. And I started driving again today. So 2 weeks post-surgery. Admittedly, my car is automatic and it was my left hip that I had surgery on. So all that helped. James did come with me in the car just to make sure that I was okay, but it was absolutely fine. So that's really good. It feels really, really good to be able to drive again as well. I still have the crutch with me towards the end of the day. So I'm videoing this and it's like 7:30 nearly. And I've had quite a full-on day, and I've done my exercises frequently throughout the course of the day as well. You just see Frosty's toes going wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Are you helping? Yeah, so towards the end of the day, I just get a little bit of medial thigh pain just down the inside of my leg. And that's just really from weight bearing through the joint all the time. And apparently that's quite normal. As the bone's knitting around the prosthetic hip, it's quite normal to get a bit of pain. So I've got a bit of medial pain going on there, which is why I've got the crutch. But actually, if I'm moving around, really, I don't need it. It's just to give me a little bit of extra support at the end of the day. So I just wanted to say thank you for the flowers, the chocolates and the cakes that have been sent to me, or people that have come around and sent them to me. Really, really lovely. And hope that you're all okay, and look forward to seeing you all soon. Mwah.